All right, my friends, today I want to go over a full finding the mean, median, mode, and range, the whole thing from start to finish. So I found this worksheet that we can go over together, and what it's asking you to do is to roll a dice to find your numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill in dice numbers that I rolled earlier. I'm actually going to write them over here. All right, and so I can then write them in order, because that's what you really want to just go ahead and do, is write your numbers in order, and it's going to make this go a lot easier and a lot faster. All right, and as you do that, make sure you mark them off so you don't lose anything in the transition. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in order from least to greatest. All right, so now I have my numbers in order from least to greatest. So the first thing it's asking me to do is to find the mean. So to do that, I would add up all my numbers, and that would give me 38. And then what you would want to do is then you would divide by how many numbers we have. And we know that we have 10 numbers. So we would divide by 10, and that would give us 3.8. So we know our mean is 3.8. All right, next we're going to find the mode. So which one repeats the most? So these are in order, so it's going to quickly allow me to just look and see which number repeats the most times. All right, so I see that I have only 1, 1, 1, 2. I do have 2 3s, so these could be a possibility. All right, but then look, I have 3 4s, which is more than the 2. So right now I'm at 4. All right, and then the 6s do repeat, but again, that's only 2, and I have 3 4s here. So my mode is 4, because 4 is what repeats the most times. All right, now the median. So your median is going to be that middle number. So I have 10 numbers. So my middle number, I'm actually going to have 2. I'm going to have this 4 and this 4, because those are both a middle number, because I have an even amount of numbers. So I need to take the average of that, of both numbers, which in this case, they're both 4, so we can say that our median is 4. But just to know that you would add both of those numbers, and you would divide by 2. Okay, so if you have 2 middle numbers, if you don't have one specific middle number, take the 2 middle numbers and take the average or the mean, how we found that up here, of those 2 numbers, and that is your median. All right, and last is your range, and that is just taking your greatest number and subtracting your smallest number. So I would say that the range is 6 minus 1. So my range is 5.